Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to put you on a stock that I believe the stock price is going to double. Now this stock recently graduated from being a penny stock. There's been a lot of momentum within this stock. So basically the share price has been going like crazy recently, and I believe it's going to continue and the share price is going to double. So the company behind this stock is Curis Inc. So ticker symbol CRIS. So Curis Inc. they develop and commercialize therapeutics for the treatment of cancer. So there's a lot of demand for the product, and as a company they're going from strength to strength, and this is reflecting in their stock price. So in today's video I'm going to go through the fundamental analysis. So basically letting you guys know why I believe this is a good company to get behind fundamentally. And also I'm going to go through my technical analysis. So basically looking at price action, seeing when is a good time to get in this stock. So this leads me on to my third point. I'm going to give my price target prediction where I believe this stock is going to go to. And guys, just to be transparent with yourselves, I'm going to go through my live trading account portfolio, show you where my balances are at the moment. And also I'm going to show you my position in Curis Inc. that I have. So make sure you guys watch to the end. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussion, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So Curis Inc. as a company has been going from strength to strength the last couple of months. And also the stock price has been reflecting of this. So currently on Yahoo Finance, so Curis Inc. ticker symbol CRIS, the last trading price was $9.76. And as you can see, pre-market is already up by 11.89%. So this stock is pretty much gearing up to double. Curis Inc., a biotechnology company, engages in the discovery and development of drug candidates for the treatment of human cancers in the United States. Its clinical stage drug candidate include CA4948, an oral small molecule drug candidate, which is in phase 1 clinical trial for the treatment of non-Hodgkin lymphomas and acute myeloid leukemia. So Curis Inc. did specialize in the development of therapeutics for treatment of cancer. The market cap is 861 million. So right now they're a small cap company, but as a company, they're growing, and I believe soon they're going to become a mid-cap company. They have a beta of 3.07. This shows that this stock is very volatile at the moment. So a lot of people are getting involved in this stock and buying up this stock. So there's a lot of activity within this stock. So the last traded volume was 1.5 million shares being traded, but the average volume is 9.5 million shares. So if we have a look at what analysts are saying, so right now analysts are actually saying that this is a buy. So the share price has been making a good run up the last couple of months. Okay, so right now it's at a buy. So getting in right now will be a good time, especially as the price has dipped. I'll discuss further about this in the technical analysis section of this video, but right now the price has dipped, so it's a great time to buy at a lower price, so that way when it takes off and doubles in price, your profit margin will be much higher. So still on Yahoo Finance, Curis CRIS skyrockets on promising phase 1 pipeline updates. Okay, so this article, although this article was written or published on the 9th of December 2020, is still very much relevant to today and relevant to what's going on with the share price and why I believe the share price is going to double. Curis Inc. CRIS announced promising preliminary data from 2 early stage studies evaluating its pipeline candidate CA4948 in hematologic malignancies on 2 consecutive days, which pushed this stock more than 350% higher on December the 8th. So guys, this is huge for a company, because the trials that they've had for their drug CA4948 provided promising data and promising results in the early stages of the studies. As a company, this is great because a lot of eyes are going to now be on their drug, okay, and seeing the performance and actually getting it out there and rolling this drug out, which is ultimately good for us investors because there's going to be a lot more demand for this drug. This is ultimately going to push the share price higher because there's going to be a lot more investors getting involved in this stock and buying up this stock. So this would ultimately push the share price higher. Go on Stockopedia. Momentum investing with Curis Inc. Intriguing research into stock market price trends shows that investors behave strangely when a stock price trades close to its 52-week high. Despite flying high, holders of the shares are more likely to sell out and snatch a profit than hold on for the ride. And for anyone standing on the sidelines, a new high feels like they've already missed out. But both are wrong. In fact, stocks with strong price trends are statistically more likely to benefit from continued momentum. It may not feel like it, but these kind of trends can potentially persist. With this in mind, shares in Curis Inc, CRIS, have been in an uptrend in recent months with strong relative price strength against the market. Here's what we've seen. In terms of relative price strength, the stock has performed well against the market over the past year. 1 month 69%, 6 months 784%, 12 months 549%. What does this mean for potential investors? Curis Inc is currently among the stocks with the strongest 6-month and 1-year relative price strength in the market, but momentum on its own is no guarantee of future returns. So basically what they're trying to say is that the performance of this stock has pretty much outperformed the market in general. So they've been doing very well. The stock has been doing excellent in the past couple of months. Okay, so there's been a lot of momentum in this stock. So for investors, this is great because this shows that a lot of people are getting behind this stock. A lot of people are buying up. A lot of investors are buying up this stock. And the fact that a lot of investors are buying up this stock, there must be a lot of confidence from investors in this company and in this company doing well long term. So if we look at the chart of Curis Inc, so ticker symbol CRIS. So pretty much from December 2020, the share price took off. There was a point where there was a huge dip, okay, on the 7th. This was prior to the preliminary trials data coming out. Okay, so a lot of investors maybe sold at this point because they didn't believe that the trials were going to be successful. And because they had positive data from the trials, the preliminary trials of CA4948, this pretty much took off on the share price, okay? There was a huge gap up, okay? From $2, it gapped up to $5. That's a huge move. And since then, the share price hasn't looked back. It's kept going up. So like I mentioned, it's currently at a dip, okay? It's been dipping since the 15th of January. So in the last month, the share price has effectively been dipping and giving investors a great opportunity to get in the market at a lower price. Where a lot of people may see reds and panic, think, okay, the stock price is not doing well, I need to sell, and then they panic sell and get out of the market. I see the share price and the stock effectively going on sale. Okay, so whenever I see reds, I go shopping, especially on companies that I have a lot of confidence in. So currently the price took off, so effectively creating a resistance. So the share price took off and effectively traded sideways for some time, creating a resistance around $8.17, or a resistance zone between $8.17 and $8.90. Okay, so because the share price has effectively broken this is now a support zone. And as you can see, the share price came down, retraced back to the support, and is bounced back off it. Okay, it looks like this is a good support. So I believe the share price is going to double. And as you can see, the pre-market is already up by more than $1. So to give my price target prediction, I believe the price is going to get to between $18 and $20. So that's my price target, between $18 and $20. So currently on my live trading portfolio, and as you can see, my net liquid, which is the total balance of my account, is currently sitting at $21,998. And in Great British pounds is £15,669. So as you can see, so I'm currently in Curis Inc. Okay, sitting at 40 shares at the moment. My average price is $10.79. So like I mentioned, I believe the share price is going to double on Curis Inc. So ticker symbol CRIS. Okay, there's a lot of good things happening for this company right now. And there's a lot of investors getting behind the stock price and buying up the stock price. Even though the last trading session's volume was lower than the average, I believe the volume is going to start picking up. The more people get on board this, there's a lot of eyes on Curis Inc. right now, especially after they've graduated from being a penny stock. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. Guys, comment below. Let me know if you're getting in on Curis Inc., if you're already in Curis Inc., or if I'm just putting you on this, or I'm just letting you know about this company for the first time. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.